up against, or what I am up against.
Okay. So I'm already giving you this thing that this is equal to this. Okay. When you want to integrate something like this, I already tell you that you directly substitute this way. You remember it as a formula, which you need to remember. This formulas you anyways need to remember only for this exercise to be solved.
Okay.
So I give you any such expression which is in this form, where x is some variable and a is any constant number. For example, this formula, this question, 16. Okay, so here it is x square minus a square. I can write it in this form, dx x square minus 4 square. So is it equivalent to this? Dx x square minus a square. I said a is a constant, here 4 is a constant. Are you able to make out?
What are you asking?
This is your formula.
Yeah.
I say whenever you have integration of this type, you have to integrate expression 1 upon x square minus a square, where a is your constant.
Yes.
For example, this term.
Yes.
Whenever I say you have integration of this type, x square minus 4 square,
Yeah.
where 4 is your constant,
Yes.
then such type of integration have value this. What is the integration value of this? 1 upon 2a. Here a is what?
A is 4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it will be 2 into 4
Yeah.
log of x minus a. A is again 4, x plus a, x plus
I
4 plus
understood.
c. So this is your answer, complete.
Okay.
So this is even more easier exercise. You are having direct formulas, you have to just get you have to just make that formula in this particular expression like x square minus a square or something, and then you have to find what is your value of a, and then you have to write it. So there are many different type of thing. Now there is another expression. If I say you have something like this, 4 square minus a square. So again here it is a constant. A constant is always denoted by a.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a square minus x square, where a is your 4, right?
Yeah. But
I say you integrate this thing. So now you will use your typical conventional method of integrating. But I already gave you this direct formulas.
I understand.
So now you know a square minus s square. You can just substitute it. I know my value of a, so it will be 2 into 4.
But this is x square minus a square.
But this is of a square minus x square.
Yeah.
Next formula.
Okay. That's the second formula. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Fine.
So 4 plus x, 4 minus x.
Okay.
Plus c. Answer complete.
What is the difference? 4 plus. Okay. Here it was 4 minus a and
X square minus a square, x minus a, x plus a square minus x square.
Okay. I
Up,
understood.
down,
I
and
understood.
minus plus.
I understood. Yeah. So
Okay.
that is the second formula. Okay.
And this I showed you usage. Similarly, so on.
Okay.
So, abhi, what will be your problem? That your question will not be directly in this form. They
Yes.
will give you slightly twisted thing, and they will ask you to get it into any of the familiar form. So instead of giving you directly x square minus 4 square, I will give you this. X square minus 16. Now you have to see किसमें ये match हो रहा है. So you know that 16 is a square. So you can make it as a 4 square. And then you see, it is matching with x square minus a square.
Yes.
Here instead of 4 square, I will write 16.
Correct.
So you have to make it 4 square minus x square. Now making it like this, x square plus a square. So I will give you dx 16 plus x square. So you see which formula is matching.
I understand.
So you can write it dx 4 square plus x square. Now you see with which
Yes.
whatever it is matching, and then you write its answer directly,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So the basic problem in this exercise will be
Yeah.
finding out which of the form is applicable and compatible.
Yes.
Getting it?
Yes.
So there are the 6 forms. Your
Yes.
exercise is revolving around the 6 forms only.
Okay.
Form.
Yes.
So there are 3 without square root and 3 with square root. X square minus a square plus square and minus again. Are you getting what is your problem in
getting.
this exercise?
Yes.
Only the finding out the form. इसमें से कौन सा form होगा?
Okay.
और फिर directly answer substitute करना है because A आपको पता है. So let us take this example. I told you already this x square minus 16.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
You write 4. You identify it as a x square minus a square.
Yeah.
Formula, this first one, your a is 4. You
Yeah.
substitute the answer.
Yes.
So you get 2a,
Yeah.
2 into 4,
Okay.
8 log x minus 4, x plus 4 plus c.
Right.
C is your integration constant. You know that, right?
Yes. Yes. I know that.
Second question is dx 2x minus x square. Now you tell me,
Yes.
can you make this thing similar to any of thing here?
Yes.
First you can identify it is a square term.
Yes.
So it
Square
has
root.
to be
Yeah.
either in this 3 form.
Correct.
Now this is a x square term.
Yes.
So you have to, you cancel this, you can take only this thing, not
Yes.
this.
Yes.
right? Because here x square is positive, here only it is negative.
Yeah.
So this is also cancelled, this is also cancelled.
Yeah.
But so it is only this fifth form you can make it.
Yes.
But again, here it is a constant number a square, but here you have a variable x.
Yeah.
So now you have to make this variable x. You have to remove it such a way that you get a form a square minus x square. So your job is only algebra part, no integration part. Now how to do that? So you know, you identify that you got this term and you have to make it as this.
Yeah.
You have to make it as a square minus x square. So your job is to make this term into a square.
Okay. You finished that NEET?
NET, no, I have this
NET.
on 21st of December.
Wow.
You remember?
Yes, I remember. National eligibility test.
Wow. Actually, you Google it?
Shashikant told me.
Acha, acha. Now this thing you have to learn. Now, what I do? So I know this formula. Do you know a square minus b square is equal to a minus b, a plus b? Do you know this?
Yes, I know this.
So you have your a square, you have your b square.
Yeah.
Now here you have your b square, you have to make this as a a square.
Yes.
So now there are many other different things. Either you can do like this, minus x square plus 1 minus 1. Huh?
Yeah.
You add something, you subtract something. It will be same. It goes to 0, again you will get the same thing.
Yes.
Whatever I add, that I have to subtract.
Yes.
Now this thing, not this. This first term, second term and third term gives me a bracket. What bracket?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
B square,
Yeah. A square.
not this, minus 1, sorry, this.
हाँ.
Wait.
I
I have to
understood.
take first this common, minus sign.
Yeah.
So x square minus 1.
Yeah.
What I'm doing? Oh,
But
sorry.
I'm understanding what you're saying.
You're making a square bracket.
Yeah.
So you can keep your things there, no? You select it and it will
No, I'll
be
forget.
comfortable
I'll
also.
forget.
I'll remind you. Okay, fine. So you're making a square bracket where you need this term and this term.
Yeah.
Your square bracket first term has to be positive, so you take minus and negative common. So here it will be x square.
Yeah.
Here it goes negative 2x. Here it goes again negative 1.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So since it's a negative one, you cannot take this because a square plus or minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes.
So better take this one, not this. This one you take and you take minus and out, so it will be plus 1.
Yes.
And you have plus 1 extra.
Yeah.
Now this will be what? Your minus of
X minus 1 the whole square.
plus 1.
Yeah.
1 I can write as 1 square.
Yes.
1 square minus x minus 1 square.
Yes.
Okay, now this thing,
Uh-huh.
here I got a constant a square. Now
Yes.
this thing I write as a variable.
Okay.
I write it x minus 1 is equal to t.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So my this
Substitution.
So this thing reduced to what? This reduced to what? A square minus t square.
I understand.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now I can integrate it.
Yes.
But one thing is there. Here it is dx.
Yes.
Which I have to change. Substitution mein, when you substitute, you
Yeah.
change the variable, you change the derivative.
Yes.
So dx is equal to what? You derivate this thing. D by dx of this.
Yeah.
So d by dx of x is 1 minus d by dx
One
of
minute.
1.
What you change into t? First, let me see.
You change the variable.
No,
from-
x minus 1
I
is equal to
substitute
t.
completely.
X minus 1, you have to take the derivative of that, correct. So it will be 1 minus 0.
1 minus 0 equals to
dt by dx.
dt by dx.
Yeah.
So your
Therefore,
dx is?
dx is equal to dt by 1. That is dt. Yeah, dx is equal to dt. Correct.
So here I can write dx equals to dt.
Yes.
And now this
Yeah.
formula is same as what?
a square minus x square. Correct.
So इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? This is-
Sine inverse of
x is what my t.
yeah
A is what? Here A is what?
is is 1, 1.
1.
Yeah.
Plus C. So
Yeah.
answer is what? Sine inverse T plus C.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
T upon 1 is 1.
But
Now
sine
substitute.
of x minus 1.
That is sine inverse x minus 1 plus C. So your answer. Easy.
Easy.
So only you have to identify.
Yeah.
So there are these 3-4 forms.
Correct.
One form is that in under root you have to make a square bracket.
Hmm.
One is without under root, simply upon you have to make a square bracket, and so on. For example, this thing. Here again you have need to make a square bracket. How will you make a square bracket of this term? We have x square minus 6x. So 6 is what? 2 into 3.
Yeah.
X. So and here you have 13.
Right.
So how will you do it? Means your
You need
yeah,
to make
this is your
13
A
6 plus something.
A is your
plus
1.
something.
A is your x.
Yeah.
So your B has to be B is 2AB. So your A is x. You know that.
Yeah.
Your 2 is common. Your B is 3.
Yeah.
So 3 3s are 9. You have to make it 9. 3 3s are 9, na?
Yeah.
You have to make 3 square. Your B is 3,
Yes.
so 3 square.
Yes.
So I'll write 13 as 9 plus 4.
Okay.
Now this thing goes to x minus 3 square. X square minus 2ab plus
But
b
2
square.
AB you're getting properly?
Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. How to identify your b
I
value.
understood. 2 into 3 6. Yes. I get it. I got it. Yeah.
So this is your 2.
Yeah.
This is your a and this is your b. So you have to
Yeah.
make it b square. So
Yeah.
13 is 9 plus 4.
Yes.
Now this gives you what? X minus 3 whole square
Yes.
plus 4. So we get x minus 3 whole square plus 4. 4 is what? 2 square.
Yes.
So this is what? Dx upon dx, और ये जो नीचे denominator है, you write it in terms of
You write it in terms of t.
so this is dx.
Yeah.
X minus 3 is your t. So
Yeah.
your dx is equal to dt.
dt.
So this is dt. T
Yeah.
square plus 2 square. What is the integration for this?
T plus 3 t minus. I understood. Tan
So
inverse. of-
basically, I told you that only that you remember the formulas, you'll be quickly able to solve it.
I understood.
So now what is your t? What is your x? Your x is t,
Yeah.
and your a is what?
X is equal to t and A is equal to 2.
So here t is what? So 1 upon a, that is
Yeah.
1 upon 2, 10 inverse of
Yeah.
x upon a. What is your x? T
Yeah.
upon 2
Yeah.
plus c. Now
Yeah.
substitute back the value of t.
Yeah.
What is your t?
T is x minus 3.
Upon 2 plus c. Answer. Will you do solve one problem?
Yeah. No, not now.
No, you'll do it.
No, I can't.
The one same thing. No, you can. You have to do it. I'm not going to explain you later.
See, this is the difficult part of the tuition.
No, this is
I'm
the
just
easiest
joking.
part of the
I'm
social.
just joking.
Okay, this question. Third one. You have to make a square bracket.
Yes.
See if you can.
Oh my god.
I'll give you a hint. You cannot make
No,
that.
don't give me a hint. Now,
No,
give me a hint.
I'll give a hint because this is the third type of thing which we'll learn.
Okay.
This thing is not same as this. I'll tell you why. Because here it is 2x and here it is 5x squared. So for making a square bracket, a minus
You
b
need x.
or a minus b square, you have to be here. The coefficient has to be 1.
Okay.
Your x square should always be single.
Yeah.
So you have to take this 5 common.
Okay.
So here you start with this 5 common, x square minus 2 by 5x. Now you make square bracket out of this. Are you getting it?
I understood.
Your square term should always have a coefficient of 1
But how you know in advance what steps you're supposed to do and all that?
because of practice. You'll
Yeah.
also learn it.
It's like, you have that whole strategy already there in your mind.
Huh,
You're
the
just
strategy,
following that strategy.
That's what I'm saying. The
Yeah.
strategy is in this
But
one.
you
7,
did-
8,
but
9,
you-
10.
Yeah, but you didn't go through all this. You understood?
I just read the 7, 8, 9, 10 before you. I forgot. I recalled.
But so quickly you read it.
Because it's just a statement. You'll also read. After doing exercise, you read it. You'll get it completely.
No, I can't understand
This
this.
is the easiest
No, that's
exercise.
Greek from me. Sanskrit or Greek.
I'll hold it for you. You solve it.
No. I'll hold and I'll solve. Just joking, Frida. Okay. 1 minute.
I'm not comfortable. That's why I'm saying I'll hold it for you.
I'm very comfortable. Okay.
You need the book to keep.
No. X minus 2AB. Okay. So this is.
First find out your A and B. Then you'll be easily able to do it. એ તો મારો ફોન લઈને કેમ જાય છે? પણ કેમ લઈને જાય છે? ફોન કરવા?
ફોન કર્યો લઈને નતો ગયો.
A minus okay, this B will be 1 upon 2.
1 upon 2.
Yeah.
What is your 2AB? First write your 2AB. 2AB is equal to?
2AB is this is
Just write here 2AB. The term 2AB
yeah.
is equal to your minus.
Uh,
Here your bracket will be A minus B square. Because minus है ना? 2AB minus के साथ है मतलब A minus B square.
yeah, I know A
हाँ,
minus
so
B
your
square.
2AB is 2 by 5x.
Suppose this is B, na?
No. You don't have to suppose anything. 2AB is what? This is your A square minus 2AB term. You have to find your B square.
I
So
understand,
2AB
understand,
is your
understand.
2 by 5x. Your A is already
Oh,
x.
I understand,
Your 2 is
understand.
already came out. So what is your B?
1 upon 5.
1 upon 5.
Oh.
So you know, you have to add what? 1 upon 5 squared. And since you add, you have to subtract as well inside the bracket.
Right. So B will be 5. 1 upon 5. Finish now. So then A minus B would be A minus 2AB plus
B square. What is your B square?
1 upon 5.
B square.
Yeah, but
B square.
okay.
No.
Okay. 1 upon 25.
And not a bracket here.
हाँ.
Yet. And since you have added 1 upon 25, you
X
subtract.
square like this, yeah?
And since you have added 1 upon 25, subtract it.
Oh.
Because your term will change. Now you keep a bracket over here, complete. Okay? Now here your 5 is already there.
See, if you make me do it now, then it will take very long.
No, it
So
won't
you
take
should
time.
never make me do it.
So here it is 5.
Yeah.
Now I make this term. What is this term? X minus 1 upon 5 whole square,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Here 1 upon 5 whole square. I can again write it inside the bracket. This 5 is common. If I take 5 inside, what I'll get? 5x minus 1 upon 5 whole square. Here minus only 1 upon 5 means 1 5 it cancels with the other. Hello? Good evening, yeah. Yeah, tomorrow 9:45. When you get free, can you come 9:30 sharp? So when you get free, 9:40. Okay, you need to go to library, right? Okay, fine. 9:40. ठीक है. When you reach the staff room, you give. अच्छा ठीक है. अच्छा. Sorry. हाँ तो
क्या चाहिए अब तूने तेरा सर पास से क्या
कुछ है with that ना she is like
कुछ प्रॉब्लम છે તો જવું પડે કે નહીં
અરે નથી રે વાત નથી યાર.
કેટલો ચીડચીડ કરે છે શાંતિથી વાત
તો
કરે
પછી ચૂપ રહેવાનું.
हाँ अच्छा हाँ ठीक है ओके हाँ सो आई स्टडी द सेम थिंग अगर तुम्हारा लिमिट खत्म हो रहा है देन इट्स ओके बट अगर लिमिट है तो इट्स बेटर यू राइट समथिंग अबाउट द टॉपिक यू एक्चुअली वांट टू वर्क बिकॉज सी अगर नहीं भी लिखा तो चलेगा बट अगर तुम लिखते हो तो तुम्हें चांसेस ज़्यादा है वो टॉपिक मिलने के गेटिंग माय पॉइंट
मैं जाओ अंदर देखे नहीं थी दुनिया
हाँ
एनी आ कर खराब मैं आऊँ तो
so, हाँ, that's what I'm saying. She will be able to get very much better because she is a nuclear person. I told you ना this. I told you she will be able to help you. So it's like very good. और वो तुम्हें बता मतलब उन्होंने तुम्हें प्रायोरिटी भी वैसे ही बताई होगी कि कौन ज़्यादा बेटर है किसके साथ जाओ. Yeah, she is a very nice person. Very nice person. She is really very nice person. So in the future also you be in touch. Yeah. Okay, fine. तो मुझे नाम अभी तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊँगी because I don't have net at my place. But you send me the name tomorrow. I'll check it or tomorrow I'll check it in library. But if Toshiba has already said you that you should go ahead with that.
वो टाइम लगे
perfectly.
मम्मी के तो जल्दी जल्दी नहीं है
Tell you about it.
हाँ
बना भी ना था
Okay, so I'll wait for you at 9:40. But as soon as your lecture gets over, you come sharp and you text me at some whenever you get time in the morning. You just text me that time I'm coming, so I'll be waiting for you. Otherwise, I'll forget because I have practicals, so I forget in that like कोई आने वाला है. Okay? Yeah. So sorry.
No problem, no problem.
भाई साहब
So
जो तारो वीडियो
You take more paper, take more
no,
paper.
I was telling you.
I'll get confused.
Okay, so we were here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this was in under root. Everything was in under root.
Yeah.
Okay, so now I reduce it here.
Take another
From
paper.
here?
Yeah.
Dx 5 1 x minus 5 square
Hmm.
plus 1 upon 5.
Hmm.
Yeah? Minus 1 upon 5. Okay, now how to do this thing? Okay, no need to actually do that.
You
No.
need the guide?
No. I mean, stupid cosmetics. So stupid. Okay. Here we are getting both the terms in square.
Hmm.
So you have to keep it. You don't have to change it. This is the mistake I made. You don't make it. Because all the formulas have two square terms. So I already get my t square. This is my constant, a square.
A square, yeah.
And this is my extra term which I take it out.
Okay.
So I have like this. Huh? Now this is a constant term. You can take it out of integration. 1 upon root 5. Only root 5. What is left here? A square term which is substituted as t. So t square minus a constant term which is substituted as a. So a square.
Okay.
So what is my t?
T is
X
x minus 1 upon 5.
So dt will be dx
Yeah.
constant now. So it will go to 0. Simply remember whenever you have one constant here d then here d here 0.
Correct.
Don't like quickly.
Yeah.
And a is 1 by 5.
Hmm.
Now what's my answer for x square minus a square in square root? This one. So the answer will be log of. Can you write the answer quickly?
But how you jump to the other formula now? Which formula is this?
I got the formula form now. I found which form I got? T square minus a square form.
Correct.
This form.
Yeah. So I have to put it as log
What is my x?
x. X
Is
is
now my t.
okay. So that's
It is t square minus a square. So put it log of t,
t plus root of t square plus
minus.
minus. Correct. Sorry. Minus 1 upon 5 the whole square. That's 1 upon 25 plus c.
Yes. Now keep back my t value there itself. What is my value of t? Actual value of t in terms of x.
It's
So
actually-
here at this place where I have my t, I'll put it what? X minus
1 upon
5.
5. X minus 1 upon 5 the whole square minus 1 upon 25 plus c. What are these bracket? What are these things called? These are called brackets.
No, whenever you put log now, So you put it either in curved brackets or long brackets. So long brackets.
These are long brackets, yeah?
Long bracket says that this quantity.
These are called
Positive.
long brackets or log brackets?
Long brackets.
Long brackets.
Actually, it is also not called as long. It is called as modulus.
Mode brackets, no?
Modulus. Yeah. It says that this value has to be positive if you apply log. So when you put mod means you want that value to be positive only. Because log is only of positive quantity, not negative. You cannot take log of negative.
Suppose it is log of negative. Suppose
is
it is log of
undefined in
no,
maths.
there is 1 upon something and then it becomes positive.
Log of 1 upon something is
See.
log of something minus log of other thing.
See.
Log of numerator upon denominator. What is that?
What I am saying now, when it is log of minus 2x, say, then it says if you make it log of 1 upon 2x, then that minus sign disappears. Yeah, this is what I have been doing in the last few exercises, and this is what is that is how they are saying it is. No,
No, because see now.
they are saying log of minus something will be 1 upon that plus 1 upon that. That is what they are saying. No.
Where you did this? No.
Ari, I did plenty of this. I'll show you later.
This thing
Huh.
itself says.
Okay, I'll email you where I did that. Yeah.
No, this I also don't know that mod when you apply log it all because minus after it cannot go to 1 upon x. You have not used this quantity. There may be some exponential or power thing.
Maybe. I don't know.
So if you have something here,
Yeah.
whatever x, and you have minus of something,
Hmm.
say a, then this thing is equal to 1 upon x, a. This is correct. But that term has to be, the negative term has to be in the power.
Okay. I'll just check that. Yeah.
Check it.
I'll check that and I'll email you. Okay. I'll email you. Do you read your emails, right?
Yeah, I read my emails, but I don't every time open everything in the serial. But that's it.
What is that? You don't open everything?
I just don't sit and read everything at a time.
Means,
When
but
I
you
get
read
time,
it.
I read it.
That's okay. Within 1 week you'll read, no?
2
weeks.
So this is one type. So what we did this one type in
Yeah.
which we used which formula? X square minus a square formula.
Yes.
The very first.
Yeah.
In the second type we used which formula? 1 minus t square. A square minus x square formula.
Yeah.
Constant, na? A
Yeah.
square minus x square formula in the second type.
Yeah.
Here in the third type which formula we used? A square plus x square term.
Okay.
This formula we used. We
Yeah.
used this formula.
Yes.
In the third one we used which one? Here just right now t square minus a square under root. We used this formula t
Yes.
square minus a square.
Yeah.
So initial formula we used.
Yes.
Now this is your homework that you do second term on yourself using a guide or yourself, and you will get which formula in this case? You have to use x square minus a square. You'll use this formula again. So this is your homework. You do it now or later. Your wish.
Okay.
So I'm covering the type. You'll be able to. This thing is same as this. This thing is same as this. The only thing is कि यहाँ पे स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट कैसे बनाएंगे? मैंने बोला ना कि यार कोफिशिएंट शुड हैव ओनली वन टर्म. एक्स स्क्वायर टर्म का कोफिशिएंट 1 होना चाहिए. तो यहाँ पे एक्स स्क्वायर के साथ 3 है. You have to remove 3. So this you will do like this. You will take 3 common. X square plus 13 by 3x minus 10. Now you will this 3 constant you will take out. So 1 upon 3 dx x square plus 13 by 3x minus 10. Now you will make only the square bracket of this thing. Whenever you have to make a square bracket, your x square term should always have 1. Then only after that you start making your square bracket. So here it was not 1, so you take 3 out, and then this is left inside. You take 1 upon 3 outside the integration because it is a constant, and whatever is left you make the square bracket of this. Now you can make a square bracket. The easiest way to make a square bracket, first write your 2ab, 13 by 3x. Your 2ab is what? Here, so your a is x already here. So a is x. Your 2 is not there. So you
Okay.
write 2 and you write 2.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
So your how you calculate 13 by 3? So you make it 2 into and 2 into. So you will be able to find what is your 13 by 3. So your 1 2 is outside, 1 2 is outside. Okay, fine. So what is your left with? 30 upon 6 is your b. Are you getting it? You can identify 2ab term. You have got your a. You need to find your b. But here you don't have your 2. So you need to find your 2 also, na? So multiply by 2 and divide by 2. When you multiply some quantity, you have to divide also. When you add some quantity, you have to subtract also. So this 2 is again cancelled by this 2. So you get your b. This is your b. Now keep this all values valid. You will get your 2ab. So what is your 2ab? 2 into your b, 13 by 6 into your x. X is your what? Yeah, x. Your a is your x. So this is what is your 2. This is your b. This is your a. You are getting your 13 by 3. Yes, you are getting it. 2 ones are 2 threes are into x. So it will be what? 13x by 3. Yeah. So this is correct. You are getting it back. So value of 3 is 13 by 6. Now you make a square bracket. How will you make it? Adding the value of b square and subtracting the value of b square. Then you use this 3 term. 1, 2 and 3. Make a square bracket. Whatever is left, add and subtract. Make it a square bracket again. Will you do from here right now?
Right now, no.
But are you understanding what I'm telling you?
Yes, I'm understanding what
I
you're
don't
telling.
think you are understanding it.
I am understanding it. No, but I don't understand what. See, till now I understood
Okay, I'll
everything.
do it.
No. Till now I understood everything. Till now I understood. Only this last one I don't know where you're heading. Means what you're trying to
I'm
explain.
trying to make square bracket.
Hmm.
I'm just trying to say that your a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, I'll write in x square terms. X square plus 2a
No,
x
that's
plus.
not what I'm saying. You're trying to derive some formula.
Hmm.
I mean, you're trying to explain which formula you're trying to explain.
I'm just trying to solve this question.
But that
I have
question,
to make.
that
I have a
question,
question. I have to make it in square terms.
but that question pertains to this formula or this formula, no?
No. That I don't know. Only for
Okay.
some small problems I am able to find. But
Okay.
I can only I can tell you one thing that this will be either of this above 3 without square terms.
Okay.
Now that I have to find out what I am getting in the end. Because the coefficients are vary now, so I cannot
Yeah.
find it unless I calculate.
Yeah.
So यहाँ तक हम लोग पहुँचे थे कहाँ पे पहुँचे थे हम लोग where we headed yeah here I calculated my b as 13 by 6 now I put this value this sorry 1 by 3 यहाँ पे 1 by 3 मैंने पहले कॉमन निकाला था x square was there my 2ab was 13 by 3x
Yeah.
minus 10 was already there
Yeah.
minus 10 was already there and my b was 13 by 6 I have to add and subtract to make a square bracket that you are getting now.
Yeah. I understood all that, but
So
yeah.
this
What
is
is your
really-
aim in doing this?
So
as well?
what I add my b square is b is 13 by 6.
Yeah.
So 13 square and 6 square minus 13 square and 6 square because when you add something you have to subtract something. Now taking this term and this term I make a square bracket.
Okay.
What is my square bracket?
X.
Minus.
Minus.
No, plus. Here 2ab is plus.
Okay.
So plus
13 by 6.
whole square.
Yeah.
What is left? Minus
Minus
13
13.
square, 6 square and minus 10.
Yeah.
Quickly calculate this value. What is 13 square? 169 I guess. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'm not sure. 13 square
I think it
is.
is.
I think just check it now.
बराबर
Check.
Like that.
6 minus 10.
That's like, you know, we get
So-
the answers from the outer world.
Okay. 6 is 36 minus 169. Here you get minus 360. So 9, 6 plus 6, 12. 1,
I wish
4,
somebody
5.
that was there in the exam hall.
36. Okay. So you get this to complete value as this and this is your square bracket. So now one thing you can make out of this is that this is your t square term and this has to be your a square term. Now you have to make this term as your a square. How will you make it? 529 by 36 as your a square. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
After this point you found out that this has to be your t square. So right?
I mean, this you what you did now? How you got this 529?
I got here.
This I know. This till here I know. Then this
I
you
put
did
the
this.
LCM.
You did this, na?
I got this.
Okay, fine. I understand.
Okay?
Yeah.
So my this expression reduced to what? X square
Yeah.
minus this total term. So at this point I found out that
You want
this
the
is going to be
square
my
root.
t
You want the
square.
square root of 529, na?
So my integration have to reduce to t square minus
Square.
a square.
Yes.
So I have to make this term as a square. How to make 529 by 36 as a square? 36 I can write as 6 square.
Yes.
What is the 529? 529 is the square.
17 no. 20 is 400.
Let's check
No,
it
it's
out.
more. It's 22 or 23.
17, 17, 17.
Is it 17?
Yeah, very good.
But
17.
I didn't even know that this came from outer space. Good, good. But how can it be 17 when 20 square is 400, na? No?
It can be, na?
No.
625 is 25 square.
See, 20 square is 400 or no?
Huh.
Then how 529 can be 17 square?
Correct.
What is correct, my dear? See, 20
correct.
When 20 square is
You do
400.
it. I will calculate. I am very bad at this.
No,
calculation.
not that. You understood what I'm saying. You understood what I'm saying. It has to be more than
I
20, na? 521, and if 20 square is 400, then 529 is more than 400, na?
So they have also taken the same thing, na?
I don't understand that. 17 square is what?
Let us check them. This is a printing mistake. 289. 289. So 529 is of.
Or maybe this
Probably
LCM,
it's
LCM we
87.
took it properly, you sure?
It is a property. 729.
This 529 is correct, na?
24 is 576. Twenty-three square, not 70. 23 square is 20.
Okay, but then here it is wrong, that means?
Here it is wrong. Should I correct it?
Gosh. Don't
Misprints
believe
are
this.
there, huh? The
I
misprints
said
are
it,
always
but
there in the state
You're
rules.
wearing same color nail polish.
Right.
So I don't know what this color is exactly. It's a mix of pink and orange.
I don't know why people call it pink, but I find it red.
It's see,
Pink of red and.
see, it's a mix. You're
Yeah.
seeing it's more red. I'm seeing it as more
No, I
orange.
know the color actually, but I find it as more red and not as a pink. I can call
I
it
don't
as
see pink at
orange
all.
red or reddish
I
orange.
see reddish orange.
Reddish orange.
Yes, that's the correct
People
one.
find it as pink color, you know,
No,
baby pink.
no,
I can't see
no.
it as pink. People are like pink
No,
color.
but-
No,
but
why? I
pink-
made red
But
t-shirts.
pink is a shade of red. But
No, pink is not a shade of red.
pink is a shade of red.
How can you tell pink is a shade of red?
Pink is a shade of red.
Pink is not a shade of red.
Oh,
I don't know why
pink
people
is
misunderstood
interesting.
with red and pink.
See, with gear, if you see, na,
Okay,
with
I
gear,
can
V-I-
debate on this.
See,
so
see,
I don't want to
VIBGYOR, okay? Okay, with gear, you know, na?
Yeah.
Okay, violet, indigo,
Okay, in that
blue,
case, you can
green,
say कि
no,
pink
no,
is
no,
as
no,
a-
green, yellow, orange, red. Okay, now where does pink come? Here, between.
Okay, so that way, yeah, okay, fine.
All the colors are there in this. No more colors you have. This is ultraviolet and infrared.
Yeah, you know this. Okay, fine.
I did
always
little
forget
bit
because
of painting I learned from one German lady, na? That's why for 1 year.
Acha, you have so much
I have
knowledge
some
about
understanding, not too much.
what's happening.
Better than maths, probably. Not sure, huh?
Okay. So 23 by 6 square. So here you got your t square as x plus 13
Yeah.
by 6 square
Yeah.
minus 23 by 6 square.
Yeah.
Complete square. You get your t square minus a square. Now you apply the formula, substitute your a, then substitute your t. You get the answer.
Okay, so which formula did we use now here?
Same formula.
Which formula?
You tell me which formula.
Okay, I'll tell you. T square minus a square, na?
With under root.
T square will be x square, na? X square minus a square. X square minus a square. This one, yeah?
Fourth one, correct.
Okay, I got it. Now I got it.
So even this is done. Okay. Now there is a third
I don't
type
understand why specifically you're trying to do this sum.
because only this was left.
Okay.
And specifically because here you have x square के साथ एक term, here यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं था. So just to tell you that you have to take 3
What
common
I was
before.
thinking, na, the way you're going about it is to give me one example of each of these formulae.
No, so I was giving you one example of each of them.
Okay.
But in that also, that's what I'm saying.
In that also there are different sums.
I already gave you this formula.
Correct.
We have already used this formula just now.
Yes.
This fourth formula I used here also.
Okay.
And I used the same formula here also.
That's
right?
what I'm thinking, yeah.
So that's what I'm saying. That you don't know by seeing the formula completely that what you are getting. Only in some cases you get. And here I specifically did it because I just want to tell you that before you start making square bracket, you have to take 3 common.
Yeah.
Because your coefficient has to be single. A square coefficient has to be single. 1. Only 1.
Okay.
So your coefficient is 1. Coefficient you know, right?
I know coefficient. That Amar Akbar Antony song is, coefficient of the linear. It's just the position. You don't know that song? Amitabh Bachchan song? Amar Akbar Antony? Oh, you are born much later.
I
Okay.
know this song, but I don't know the statement.
Oh, in between he talks a lot of rubbish, gibberish like this.
Acha,
Yeah.
I don't know. Okay. This is the third type
Yeah.
in which you have a numerator also. अभी तक जितने type के you don't have numerator, right? You have only 1, 1, 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Yeah.
Numerator. Now you have x plus 2, x plus 3 and so on.
What are you trying to say? What is this?
Numerator you know ना? Numerator and denominator.
Yes, yes, I know numerator, denominator, but what?
अभी तक numerator नहीं था. सब में
हाँ.
1, 1 था. Now you have numerator.
I
So this is
understand.
the third type and the last type.
I understood.
Yeah,
I'm
the last
getting
type.
it. I'm getting it.
Okay. Oh, okay, just give me a second for this.
I'm thinking, thank God, Shashikant is not dumping me. I thought because of all these cancellations, he's going to say, okay, no more tuition. It's very good, when I have two tutors. Because your style
But
of
I don't
teaching
get me ask this
No,
person.
no. See, I didn't ask anything of his to you, no? I didn't ask. Of yours, whatever you taught, I don't have to ask him.
But
It's
you
not-
can do that.
But I don't need to do that because both of you are perfect. Thing is, for me, it's very good because I see maths from another angle. He's doing it from another perspective. You understood?
Yeah, way of
So-
solving the things
Yeah,
are
like you're looking at an apple from two different sides. Perspective.
You yourself have a very good way to look at everything.
Oh no, not really. It's a very dumb
you
way.
have.
Dumb way.
No, it's very different way.
Yeah,
Not
very
the-
different.
you
Different.
don't
That I
find
agree.
it-
That I agree.
Not a dumb one, but a different one.
Different,
You don't
yes,
find that
definitely.
way in any of the Indian, completely purely Indian person. It's supposed to go to 8 plus
What?
4. You have been abroad, right?
Yes, for 10 years.
So your way of thinking about everything is
But
quite different. You appreciate things instead of.
That's not a reason, because I was not in a Western country.
This is the thing. Even if you're not, if you are outside India, you then learn to appreciate.
But
things.
that's an Arab country.
No matter if you are out of India, then you learn to
Ah,
appreciate.
you see things in a little different way, yes.
In
You
appreciable
also
way.
become little crack.
Huh?
You also become little crack.
Sorry.
You also become little crack.
It also become okay.
You
okay.
also become a little crack, I said. You, matlab the person who goes
No,
abroad.
you don't become crack. People see you as a crack.
Yes.
Huh. Okay, I agree at this one. Indian people only see you as a crack.
Yes. Oh, you know so much, but you have not been abroad.
Because I don't know. I have got friends abroad. That's
okay.
it probably.
But you would do very well
Because
abroad
in the
because you're
physics,
intelligent, na? You go to the US, huh? You go to marry a US guy, all Gujjus and the US. You go to marry a Gujju only, na?
Yeah.
I mean, you all are very conservative, only Gujjus.
I don't know. Okay.
But then love marriage is also okay for you. I think you're not that conservative. Fine.
No, my family is not that conservative.
Oh,
but
great,
The guy
great.
has to be gay. It's not like
The
good.
guy has to be?
I mean, the person has to be good one. That's
Great, you said? Great, you said?
No, good.
Good. Okay.
Not great.
No, that's nice. I understand. Okay, so your family is good. I mean, that way at least,
Yeah.
broad-mindedness. But I think you do very well in the US because you're so intelligent. You're laughing because you got a guy who's in the US? What?
No. Because many people told me the same.
Huh.
But it's like going US, I have to go for a PhD only. Na? That is the only thing I can do right now.
Yes.
I'm already in my master's. No
Yes.
point in going again to do a MS or something.
True.
Because you have to spend like 20 lakhs or something, 25.
But then you
20.
can take a student's loan. Suppose your husband has a citizenship, na? You can
I
take a
can
student's
take a loan,
and you
but
can repay the
when-
loan
but,
over 10
but
years.
wherever, but there is no point in doing a master's again, right? Are you getting my point?
Yes, I get your point.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then
Because
no,
you already are super at masters.
no, not very
Because
super
we
at
have to do
master's,
a graduation again, like BDS. We have to do it again and
because
call
you
it
need to
BDS.
have 4 years.
No, we have done 5 years, but we have to do 3 years there because it's DDS because it's not recognized. You see,
Acha, in that case. So I
it's
have
partly
recognized one.
recognized.
Yeah, I got your point. So now the point is I can only go US for PhD, and US have got 5 years of PhD fully funded, but it's again 5 years. So like my parents said, no, you don't have to go for 5 years because when you come back, everything will be changed.
But you can do your MS also. That's not a problem because that MS is different from what you're doing here.
Yeah, but I didn't find any point in going there and doing MS for 2 years because it's better I do PhD. I feel like that way.
Yes, but PhD is 5 years and MS is how many years?
Again 2 years.
MS is only 2 years. So with 2 years you can start working now. Then the PhD you
But
can
but the point is I don't want to settle down in US. I want to come back in India. So even after spending so much of money and time, you come back to India, you didn't get a good job after doing MS.
You won't get a good job.
No, people don't
You get a
appreciate.
good-
No,
MS people don't appreciate. Arey, this level has
Coming-
become so high here in India. People don't know anything here and they don't like MS.
They will consider you as a master's only.
You think
Yeah.
when you have from a
There's so
university.
many people who go
You think,
abroad
yeah? But
have the
but
idea.
5 years you don't want to do, na?
That's the problem. So I'm thinking.
So I
this
think
is
MS only is better. And when you come here, na, you don't have to do all this rubbish. You can do your own thing.
what one thing I'll do.
You'll get plenty of ideas when you go there.
Even to get a placement in IIT, you have to be a postdoc.
ISD is what?
IIT I'm talking about.
Placement. You need to teach in IIT.
No, I'm telling you that.
To teach,
studies
na?
are- हाँ.
So you would like to teach in IIT?
If you do PhD, then also there are way less chances to get into IIT. So even
Don't
after
do
MS,
IIT.
you will-
IIT is not required. Yeah.
I'm telling you, after doing MS also I'm not doing it. मम्मी सिमरन की मम्मी चाय पीछ
You don't like computers, na? Computers you don't like.
बेल वाली છે बेल है ना चाबी में नहीं है नहीं है
Computers you don't like, na?
You want to sit?
Computers you don't like, na?
Otherwise I should have gone to something because see
Otherwise
I am
you
doing
do very
MSc in
well.
physics here. I go out I can do MS in
Actually, you have
physics
to do
again. I have to
research.
study the same thing.
हाँ.
Here I do MSc in physics. After going
you
MS
get a
also in
good
physics.
job there, man.
But I want to go. Don't settle. That is the point. The person who thinks like that, I have to settle in US. I don't want to settle in US. I want to come back
You
to
come
India.
back here also, you will do very well.
No man. Here you will be stuck. You won't get. Then you will set your standards high enough, and the people here won't give you that good job and money.
Then
So
you
you'll
have to
feel
do
like
5 years. Then you
frustrated.
have to do 5 years.
And I don't have to go for 5 years. So I dropped that US plan. Okay, it's a long story. I'm consuming time. After that, I'll tell you.
No, I understood what you're saying.
So that's why.
Why you don't want to do 5 years there?
Like at this point, because people are quite conservative.
Yes.
You don't send girls because when you come back, then
after
you will be like
education,
30 years
after
of
marriage,
age.
After marriage, Baba. I'm saying after marriage.
Guju, after marriage,
No studies.
kitchen se you.
Out? Then it's better. My gosh.
It's, I don't actually want to marry with a Guju, you know. Always ending up
If
in
you
a
marry,
kitchen.
if you marry anyone, if you marry other community, na, they will love that you study.
I know. Generally, Bengalis and South Indians. Nice. You want chilled water?
Thank you. I have water.
But you have
No,
want
chill I
chilled water?
can't.
Achha. No, chill, not freezer.
No, but I can't.
Means of pot only.
No, thanks. I like the pot idea, but I don't want because that I
Okay,
get a
fine.
cold. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So we were where?
Would you like to study otherwise, yeah?
Yeah, of course I would like to.
Then
study.
you should, yeah. Then you should. But the South Indian is difficult to find a handsome guy. That's the only problem. I don't think the South Indians are all great. They may have some other problem in their culture. They may allow you to study, but you may not like them.
They are quite
I don't
conservative.
like
They're
South
conservative.
Indians,
They don't
frankly.
talk. They don't leave right.
You've
Because
seen
the
that.
other
You've
points
seen
are
that.
very
You've seen that.
loud.
You've seen that movie, no? The Chetan Bhagat's movie.
Yeah, that was
Which
saying
one is
na.
that? What is the name?
Two states.
Two states.
So Fuji are more like Punjabi culture. Loud enough, enjoying
But
enough.
Punjabis allow you to study.
Huh?
Punjabis allow you to study further.
I don't know.
You should marry a Westerner man. Why are you marrying an Indian? That's the best. Don't marry Indians. I don't like Indians, frankly. Huh? Yes. I'm telling you, Westerners are best. Are best. And they're. I'm telling you, this culture, no, it's just a. It's like a big stone tied in on your leg. This whole Indian culture. I would never marry an Indian. I'm telling you, God promise. Really? No, it came in the newspaper that 75% Indians are wife beaters. What else you want to hear? And they would be admitting. Don't marry Indian, please. You go and study and do your PhD.
No, but now I've dropped that idea.
But you're very intelligent. You don't waste this.
No, that you think na, I'm very intelligent. In my field, I'm not very much
100%
intelligent.
you're very
I
intelligent.
would have been in somewhere great.
But if you do
not
your
working
PhD
here,
now,
no
your
time.
intelligence would be proved. When you do that PhD now, everybody, there must be, these doubting Thomases are there now. Because India, no? But once you do your PhD from US, no, oh, she's all brainy, they will say. Because you got that certificate, na?
From US.
Huh. But understood, na, what I'm saying?
I got
Huh.
it.
So you please do it, Parita. This is not a place for you. And marry a Westerner. They're very good. God, I'm telling you the truth. I know. They treat you very well.
I don't know. Let's see.
No,
You cannot plan your life, right?
you can. Little bit.
I don't know
Other,
right now.
half,
I'm so
half,
damn
half.
confused.
You don't be confused. Just now you do your NET, get a good job. NET, then you get a good job, na, in this
Yeah,
wherever
then I
Vartak.
thought.
Then you slowly work on your US thing.
Let's see. I got fish. No.
See, once you do your NET, and then you get the proper Vartak job, na, then things will become clear. You might find a good guy also, whatever community he is. No, now we can't focus on the community. You just might see now. The Shashikant is saying that you're so beautiful, and also there must be some good guys around, who are broad-minded and all, who don't care about their parents, what their parents are saying. Means, who don't mind cutting out their community rubbish, and then their person also wants to go to the US, then that person wants you to study. It's possible. You might just luckily find that guy.
That will be.
Yeah. But
let's
first
see.
is, pardon me?
Let's see what happens next. Like everything has to be clear. Slowly it will get clear.
Slowly it will become clear. First step is NET.
Yeah.
Yes. Step by step, definitely. But that is like finding a needle in a haystack. I mean, you have to be like really lucky to find that guy. What do you think?
Yeah.
I think this Chetan Bhagat and all, he is a good guy, you know.
Chetan Bhagat.
You don't know? Chetan Bhagat, that
I
guy who
know.
wrote, he's an IIT guy.
Yeah, he's a guy.
He's a, if you see how he's talking, how he writes in the newspaper, he's quite a sweet guy.
I find him not a very sweet one.
No?
No. Have you read his novels? All of them?
No, I don't like his novels.
Read his
I don't
novels.
like his novels. But I'm saying
You read novels?
No, but I'm saying the
It's like
person.
fortunately or unfortunately ending up with Anushka,
What is Anushka?
his wife.
It's always ending with Anushka.
Huh.
Means he means what?
And you read, and let it belongs to
No, but whatever. That means he likes his wife, na?
Yeah, yeah.
So that means he's a good guy, no?
I don't know what in what sense you are asking.
He loves his wife, right?
Yeah,
He's,
okay.
he's,
Yeah,
it's
I
always in the center of his mind is his wife, you're saying, na?
yeah, yeah. Okay,
So
fine.
that's good,
yeah.
na?
Yeah.
Such a sweet guy.
Okay, as a person, I don't find him very good enough.
I don't know him personally, but what he writes in the newspaper and all, he
Okay.
writes articles in the newspaper.
Yeah, he is very broad-minded.
He's nice, I feel. You know, I don't know. But I think he's a nice guy.
But his novels are very conservative.
No, I don't like those novels.
His novels are very
I don't like
fast.
Indian novels. You know.
That what?
Uh-huh.
As an author, he is very stupid.
And somebody was just complaining that his latest half girlfriend is a copy. Somebody is complaining. Yeah, they're suing him.
Oh no.
So he's saying that is all rubbish. But I think he must have copied. And
He
that's all.
looks like he can copy.
Yeah, he must have copied.
Because Indian authors are not like wow.
No,
you know.
he must have copied. He must be a
Have
practical
you seen
guy.
Interstellar? The new movie.
Interstellar.
Yeah.
What is that? I don't know. What is it? It's an English movie.
Yeah, it's around this universe.
It is what?
Based on the universe, Einstein theory of relativity.
It's like a proper commercial movie.
Commercial movie in this sense?
Means it's a scientific movie or a Hollywood movie.
No, yeah, Hollywood, yeah, commercial movie. Yeah.
Commercial movie. Who's acting?
I don't know the name of the actor, but it is directed by this the director of Inception. Have you seen Inception?
Conception.
Inception.
No, I'm not.
Inception is a movie of a 3-level dream. A dream in a dream in a dream.
Oh my god, you like all that. See, you're intelligent, yeah. Please do
You
your
don't like,
PhD.
you don't watch movies?
I watch movies, but I watched the Leonardo DiCaprio movie, something
So
like
Inception is of Leonardo
Matrix.
DiCaprio.
But-
Matrix is a good one,
but,
but I have not seen it.
Acha, but it's released, this Inception and all.
Inception is a very old movie.
Oh, I have to see, man.
Caprio movie.
DiCaprio, and that other one now, Interstellar, is also released.
Yeah, it just released like 3 weeks ago.
And you all have, it's
But you
really,
need
in
to-
which movie, in which theater it is?
Kandivali, Borivali.
I didn't know all
But
this.
then you need to know some of physics before going to it, otherwise you won't enjoy
Come on,
it.
the Leonardo movie, you don't have to know physics to see.
No, it's not Leonardo movie. Inception was of Leonardo, the
Huh.
one who directed
Huh.
the same movie.
Okay.
Excellent movie. They have researched a lot about Einstein theory of relativity and black holes. Have you heard about black holes?
Yes.
So this NASA people asked the director to present a paper
Yes.
about what is research. This is acting a Hollywood director. NASA people is asking a Hollywood director to present a paper of his
Yeah.
research. Means
So
you can
nice,
imagine
na?
how how nicely he have researched and directed the movie.
Yes.
Everything.
I
real.
must see the movie. I must see.
But
Let me write it down.
It is all practical. Theoretically, everything is done.
Interstellar, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Go
See.
in a theater if you want to see.
Yeah,
Even if you don't get anything.
No, I will go to the theater.
This
only.
you can download. I have it if you want.
No, that's okay. I'll do it. Yeah.
Okay. Here, in this type of thing, okay, this type of questions, one I'll do, one you do. Now, okay. In this type of thing, you have a numerator,
Yes.
and you have here something. You know, if I only give you this, what you'll do, you take 2 common because you get x square ka coefficient 1 karna hai.
Yes.
You take 2 common and whatever is left inside, you'll make square bracket and you'll apply the formula.
But 5 you can't take now. When you take this 2 common, what you'll do with
upon 2. Okay?
Yes.
But now I give you the numerator. You know how to make a square of this term, but you don't know how to make this thing. So what you do, you write this, whatever your numerator is, in the form of a, some constant a, d by dx of your denominator plus some constant b. Okay, now you differentiate it. So what is the differentiation of this thing?
Why is this constant b?
This is the prescribed way of solving thing.
Okay.
So whenever you have some numerator, d by what is this, dx upon some denominator,
Yeah.
to find the integral of something, such type of things, what you do, you equate your numerator as some constant times your d by dx of your denominator plus something. Okay,
Yeah.
then you get some value, you get some a into them some
What
value
is
here
AD?
plus
AD?
b.
AD is what?
D by dx, sorry, this is a constant a, then
Huh.
d by into d by dx of some into your denominator plus b. So you write your numerator in terms of d by dx of your denominator a and b.
This is
To solve such
denominator,
type
no?
of
This is
problem.
denominator, no?
Denominator. So after doing d by dx means derivative, you get
Yes.
some value here in the square brackets,
Yes.
and you already have your numerator here.
Yes.
Now you compare the terms. How you compare the terms? Do you know it?
No.
Okay, then I will show you how you do it. So for this particular example, what is my
Take
numerator?
more about this, paper.
I have this one. Okay. Where it was?
You're not getting late, no?
No, I'll get a call from my dad and I have to go to it. He told me actually.
Okay.
So
You're
I
going
told
out
him
for dinner? You're
initially
going
I
out for
told-
dinner?
No, not dinner, to somebody's place. So evening. No, I'm not
Okay,
taking
I'm
it.
just joking. I just looked at you, right? Nothing. I didn't say anything.
But I was like, yesterday I was literally laughing. I thought that the way I said seemed like that. I
Huh.
said in the morning no, that somebody's coming to lunch. I thought.
And
this
they
is a very
may
stupid
stay after
reaction.
5:30.
Ha. So then I got, okay, I have to be
So
like.
among in your
really-
community, there's a lot of visiting and all, na?
We are actually celebrating Diwali, late Diwali.
Okay.
Good to people, you know. Meeting and leaving and going on. Okay, fine. So here, this thing. Your numerator. For this particular example, what is my numerator?
X plus 2.
2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Okay. So my formula for solving such thing is I have to write my numerator in terms of some constant into d by dx into d by dx of my the denominator plus some thing. Okay, the very first thing. What is my numerator? X plus 2. Some constant a into d by dx of my denominator 2x square plus 6x plus 5 plus b. What is my d by dx of this? Calculate fatafat. D by dx of this.
Okay, it's 2x. D by dx of this, na? It would be
2 is already there. 2x. So 2 2s are 4x.
4x. Okay. I
Plus
understand.
6 plus 0.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here, now I will do comparing. How I compare? I compare all, I expand it, okay? So it will be 4a 4x plus 6a plus b. Okay, I just open the brackets. While comparing, you compare power terms. So if something has 0 power, you take any one variable x. Now you compare the terms which have 0 power of x, which have 1 power of x, which have 2 power of x. So for 0 power of x, here the power of x is 0, right? There is no x means power of x is 0. So it is 2. Here the power of x is 0 with which 2 terms? These 2 terms. यहाँ पे भी
there is no x means power of x is 0. I didn't realize
because
this. Huh? Something new for
something
me.
power 0 is equals to 1.
1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it will be b
So
plus
even if there's
6a.
nothing there, there's something there. Oh,
Okay,
great.
so you get this one equation. Here 1 power. Here 1 power.
What is this 2 way? What is 2 now?
Here I took power of x is 0 for this particular term I know.
Yeah.
And here for this 2 terms. So I equated. This has to be equal now. This is equal. I'm equating it actually. From starting I have equated it.
So this x
So if
plus
I
2
get
you're
this
saying.
thing-
Okay. So x plus 2, what you did with x now?
No, I just did nothing. I
Okay.
got this thing equal to this thing.
Okay.
Now if this thing has to be equal to this,
Uh-huh.
then their power terms has to be equal.
Correct.
So all the terms with power of x 0 has to be equal to all the terms of power of x to be 0.
Yeah.
So here the power of x 0 is of 2 terms.
Yeah.
Of 2, and here it is of this 2 term.
Okay.
So this term has to be equal to 2 only. Then only this whole term is equal to 0.
Because x is out of the picture.
Huh. And
Because
here,
this is only constant.
and here what is the power coefficient of x? 1.
1.
So you have to compare the coefficients actually.
Okay.
1 is equal to it has to be equal to 4a. Why? because here the power of x is 1, here the power of x is 1. So like powers, same powers, coefficient has to be equal. So here x power 1 coefficient has to be equal. This is known as comparing. Here x power 0, x power 0, x power 0. So coefficient has to be equal. So here 6a, I can write this 6a plus b equals to 6a x0 plus b0 x0, and I take 6a plus b common. So I get x0. So here my 2 with x0 has to be equal to this 2 complete. So then here 1 equation, 2 equation. Are you getting it? Or am I confusing? Should I show it again?
You're not confusing. 1 minute. What is this 2x? No,
Okay.
that's all fine. Only this part.
हाँ. मेरे पास यहाँ पे क्या था?
No, you paper.
Should I do it here?
Okay.
I got this thing now, x plus 2. When I open the bracket at the end, I got 4ax plus 6a plus b. Now comparing means what?
Comparing the coefficients.
Coefficients of same power of x. Here power of x is 1, here it's 1.
4ax1, where you got this x1? It's written there?
हाँ, I expanded ना. हमने ये पहले मैंने फॉर्मूला दिया था ना कि numerator has to, for this type of sum you have to use this formula. You have to equate your numerator is this a into d by dx of your denominator is this plus b.
So you got this 4a.
So when you differentiated it, then you got a here and b as it is. I opened it, so I got 4ax plus 6a plus b. Opening the brackets. Now here the power is 1. You have to compare the coefficient of same power, okay? So here power is 1. So this coefficient is here. What is the coefficient?
1.
Here? 1 is equal to
4.
a. Have 4a complete now.
Yeah.
Only x has to be equal. Here the power is
0.
Here the power is
0.
Here the power is
0.
So this 2 has to be equal to the sum of this and this, because you can take I.
6a plus b. Understood. Okay, now I'm getting it.
So from here, what is the value of a?
Value of a would be 1 upon 4.
You keep the value of a here. Right?
Right.
So b will be 2 minus 3 by 2.
Yes.
So it will be 1 by 2.
Yes.
Keep the value back here. So what was your numerator?
So you take another page, na?
No, here only the same thing, na? Ho
Okay.
jayega, then I'll take another.
Because
X
when
plus
you cancel all this, then when I go back, I won't understand. First you write everything very neatly. Then
I can't write everything neatly when
no, first everything is very neat, but then you cancel everything. Then I won't understand.
Sorry.
No.
This is the way I explain, as if I'm explaining on board. Sorry, you're not writing.
Right. I'm not writing. That's the whole thing.
So I explain as if I'm writing on board now.
Yeah.
So this is the way I explain. So I am not very neat when I.
No,
I'm
you're
bad.
very neat first when you write it.
Then
But
I
then
go
instead of
bad.
going to the next page,
I go back.
you cancel everything on this page. Whatever you've written, you undo it.
Okay, sorry. Fine. So I now keep my b a value back here in this term.
Yeah.
X plus 2, this equation equals to, what is my a?
1 upon 4.
My d by dx of this was this already. I write it directly now, okay? Instead of writing here, plus, what is my b? 1 by 2. Did you get how I do it? You got, na? Then I open the brackets, so here it will be only x.
Here you're substituting for which equation you're substituting for this equation? You're substituting for which equation?
This equation. This equation.
Okay.
Okay? So I substituted. So this is, now I write this term here. My question is now changed this way. I substitute this thing instead of this. So I'll write what? Just simplify here only. It will be what? X, I open the brackets. 4 cancel, x plus 6 by 4 plus half. So 6 by 4 is what? 3 by 2.
Yeah.
So it will be what? X plus 3 plus 1, 4 by 2, right? So it will be 2. So it will be x plus 2. So now, again I write the same thing. Okay, fine. I don't have to simplify. I just have to write the same thing here. Because I'm already simplifying, getting back the same thing. X plus 2, x plus 2.
Yeah.
I have to write this term in the form of this. 4x plus 6 plus half upon 2x square plus 6x plus 5 dx. Are you getting it? I am just writing my numerator in terms of this. This is what? d by dx of my denominator. See, I was given this term. I don't know how to solve it. So I gave you one procedure that to solve this sum, first change your numerator in terms of the d by dx of your denominator. This was what? D by dx of my denominator, right? Here.
Correct.
So I wrote this term, the d by dx of my denominator, but I didn't know the value of a and b. So first I have to find the value of a and b by comparing. I found the value of a and b, I put it back, I write it in terms of denominator d by dx only.
Yeah.
Now I keep it as it is. So now I have to solve not this equation but this equation.
Yeah.
Okay? Now I have to do whatever I have to do, algebra I will do with this equation. I'll show you one more sum later. Let's go here.
Yeah. So this d by dx is still there.
Of the denominator. Now I'm writing in terms of denominator. No, I've already d by dx of this. I completely wrote it.
Correct.
Exact value I wrote it.
So now you're getting this dx because of this integration sign.
This is the first integration. यहाँ पे integration था ना.
I understood.
Now next step.
We are still in exercise 7.4, no?
I told you it will come 2 times. It's just 1 hour.
No, it's more than
We
1
talk a
hour.
lot in between.
No, that's not counted.
This is counted.
No,
This is
I'm the
counted. I
one
was
who
in
starts
phone for
the
next
topics.
5
I'm the one who's the talkative person.
No, I was on the phone as well.
No, that's just 2 minutes.
No, that was 5 minutes.
Not at all.
Oh, come on. See, let's see.
See, I've recorded it. You'll know it's just 2 minutes.
You record for that?
The whole thing is recorded. Now, say how many hours is recorded? 1 hour. 1.
But you have recorded everything now.
Yeah.
You have recorded the talks also in between, which was useless. So that is not counted. So it is just 1 hour now. We talked in between a lot. We're still talking.
This is only 1 hour?
हाँ. और 1 hour भी पूरा नहीं हुआ है ना.
मैं क्या पूछ रही हूँ? This is 23. What is this 23? This 23 is left, na? Means only 1 hour we have done.
Yeah.
So surprising. I came at 6:30.
And
I
we
started
started by
recording.
6:45. And maybe that we talked also in between. So even that
But
1
I-
hour is not complete.
No. 1 hour is more than complete. But I'm surprised it was only 1 hour because I started recording immediately. Anyway.
So you find it more time or less time?
I find that this is not showing the right time. I feel it should be 1.5 hours now.
Oh, correct. Not 1 hour.
It's not 1.5 hours, but a little less than 1.5 hours. Yeah.
Because we're going easy and talking a lot, no? That's why you're feeling like time.
Time has flown.
Something like that, okay.
No, I feel there's something. No, I started recording late, I think.
So right now here, I told you, whenever you have a plus in integration, अलग अलग कर दो.
When you have a plus, understood.
Okay.
Yeah.
So here 1 by 4, 4x plus 6 dx upon that same thing plus 1 by 2 dx upon the same thing. Get it? Now 1 by 4 common. What you have to add? 4x plus 6. Now your sum is so simple to solve. 1 by 2 common. Constant term, so taken out. Dx of this. Now simply say this as t.
Okay.
So I guess t equals to 2x square plus 6x plus 5. Now I have to find d by dt, dt by dx, and here dv by dx of this whole thing. But I know d by dx of the whole thing is what? I did it in the upside. I know now. D by dx of my denominator was what? This. Directly write 4x plus 6 and dt upon dx. So my dt will be what? 4x plus 6 dx. So here the term goes like small things goes in this dt.
Okay.
I'm left with t. And I know the integration of 1 upon t is
Log
t.
t of t.
So you're getting why you're writing in terms of denominator. So that here when you take d by dx, whole thing comes only in this term. And you can write simply in one term. You'll
This
understand.
part, no, I'm just saying 1 minute.
You got till here?
Yeah.
I told you when you have plus, now the denominator is common. So you can separately write the denominator
Yeah.
and plus can be, so you get this step again.
Mm-hmm.
Now, this thing, whatever is there,
Yeah,
here, you say it as a tt, substitution.
Yes.
T. So I write it as t.
Yeah.
So, यहाँ पे मैंने t लिख दिया. But I have to write for dx also ना. So I take t by dx. So dt by dx equal to d by dx of this, right? Here also d by dx of t, d by dx of this term.
Yeah.
Are you getting? Here
I
is
understood.
But I know d by dx of this is what? 4x plus 6. I did here now. This is my denominator. उसका ये तो denominator का d by dx लिखा था ना यहाँ पे. Why we were using this formula? I'm telling you. Why we were using this? D by dx of denominator. This is what? 1 by 4 is my a. D by dx of my denominator. This is my d by dx of denominator b. Why I was using d by dx of denominator? So here I can directly substitute. This is what? Again my d by dx of denominator again. So I can directly write the value here, 4x plus 6, which I calculated here. And this 4x plus 6. So dt is nothing but this term into dx. So this whole numerator goes in only dt. This whole numerator is replaced by dt, and here it is only t. So very easy, you know, integration of 1 upon t log of t. And here it is 1 by 2 dx is what? Dx is what?
Dx is, I don't know.
Okay, now here you don't have to substitute t. Okay, this is your one value of t. For this, I'm just solving for this particular first term. And this 1 upon 4 log of t. What was your t? What you substitute t as?
T is that 2x square plus 6x.
Now you have to separately do this. Plus integration of this term will carry forward. Now you know how to integrate this term. What? You have to make a square bracket. But how you make a square bracket? You have to take first 2 common.
2 common.
So it will be x square plus 6 by 2x plus 5 by 2. Okay, now
Yeah.
2 again common you take outside because of integration. So 1 by t is already there, so it will be 1 by 4 dx x square 2, and here it will be 3x plus 5 by 2. Now to make a square term, I equate my 2ab. I find out my 2ab. My 2ab is equal to what here?
3x.
So 2 नहीं है तो पहले 2 into 2 कर दो. So ये वाला 2 और ये वाला 2 इक्वल हो गया. a मेरा क्या है यहाँ से x है तो x चला गया. So what is my b?
3.
3 by 2. I have to add what? b square. So 9 by 4 and subtract also b square. So it will be 1 by 4 dx x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 plus 5 by 2, which is already there. Okay. So this 3 terms gives me what? X plus 3 by 2 whole square. Yeah. And here it will be minus, I take the LCM, 2, 5, you know, right? 18 minus 18 plus 5 is 25 minus 18. What is that? 5 into 6. So answer is minus of, answer is 6 by 10. Okay. So it will be 1 by 4 integration of dx x plus 3 by 2 whole square plus 6 by 10 can be written as square of. Okay. When you don't know the square, just put under root and put a square. So now my here t is this and a is
A is 10, no?
under root of 6 by 10.
Okay, sorry. Yeah, I understand.
And you know how to find the integration of this x. This is what formula? This. Here. X square plus a square. X square plus a square.
Okay.
You getting my point?
Right.
So this is equal to, integration of this is equal to what? Plus 1 by 4 integration is equal to 1 upon a. What is my a? Root 6 by 10 into 10 inverse of x by a. 10 inverse of my x is what? My x is what? T. T square plus a square, no? So t. So 10 inverse of t by a plus c. Now keep the value of t back. 1 by 4. This goes upside, so it will be 10 by 6. 1 upon something reciprocal. 10 by 6. You know this, right? T is what? What is assume t is x
T.
plus 3 by 2.
Okay.
So I keep it back, x plus 3 by 2 whole upon a. What was my a again?
A was 6 by root of 6 by 10.
6 by 10, yes.
Was it?
What is 6 by 10 or 10 by 6? 6 by 10 is my a. So 6 by 10, okay, plus c. So this is my one answer for the second term, and then my first term I already calculated here directly. What was that? 1/4 log of this thing. 2x squared plus 6x plus I. So this is my answer.
Understood.
Now you go through the second sum, solve in the book, and tell me are you getting the second sum?
No, what I'm saying is now the 7.5 is over.
Yeah, this is the last sum you go.
Last sum is finished. You just did it,
No,
no?
I just did this sum.
So which is the last sum?
This one.
Which
This is the last sum.
which you did, no?
I did
No,
this
you did
sum.
this now. You have to do
Yeah.
this. Achha, what I'm saying is that required for this 7.4? I mean,
Yeah, it is
for you to
required.
do
This is the
this
last time, yeah.
last type, yeah?
We won't be able to do 7.5
Okay, that's fine.
because
No, I
so
understand.
many different
I
types,
understand.
and
I
I cannot
understand.
tell you that.
I understand. 7.5 is what though? Integration by partial fractions, yeah?
So here now you have
That is something totally different.
no same. Now you have more complex type of number and you have to again reduce it. But now
हाँ.
यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने दो अलग अलग पार्ट में किया था ना,
हाँ,
वैसे ही करना है.
हाँ, understand.
But quite complex.
Yeah.
Quite. But same procedure.
I get it.
I won't be able to do it now. Even I am tired.
Okay, that's good to hear. You're also human.
No, I get tired.
Human
because-
mathematician.
Okay. But did you got the last type? What you have to basically do whenever you have a numerator, I'll explain you this type from the book only. Okay. It won't take time and you'll understand it.
Yeah.
Second term. You have to integrate this thing. As I said, your formula will be what? You have to write your numerator in terms of here. Where I went? Here. It is given.
You're tired, no? And you got a cold?
No. Here.
It's like all the chilled water.
Should I write here so you can read?
No.
Okay. So this is the
Okay,
formula.
right. But you don't cancel, yeah?
No. This is your numerator, right?
Hmm.
And this is your denominator.
Yeah.
So basically, for such type of formula is your, what is your basic formula? Numerator has to be some constant time d by dx of your denominator plus b. Are you getting it?
What did you write there?
Numerator, denominator.
Yeah, no, sorry.
Anyone d and
No. What is this?
denominator.
Huh.
D and
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
Numerator, denominator. So for such types which have both numerator and denominator, you have to write first a numerator in terms of a,
Yeah.
some constant into d by dx of your denominator plus b. Then second step is finding a and b. I told you how to do
Yes.
that. Comparing. After you solve d by dx, compare. Then you substitute it back there, so you get such type of terms. You substitute it back, so you have
Last time you were not wearing specs?
I was. No, the one time you took the photograph, no, at that time I was wearing a lens.
Okay. Lens you have.
Then, plus. I keep it back, right? So you have got a plus. Oh, you have recording.
No, that's okay. That's perfect.
Uh-huh.
You forget about the recording.
Okay. So you get a plus.
Yeah.
Now, the basic thing, whenever you got a plus, separate the integrations. You separated the integrations. Since you now got a same denominator. That's why we are doing all this. So that you get a same denominator and you separate it. You separated it. Now you write this first term as t. Same procedure, substitution. You write it as t, find dt by dx. So what you'll find, this thing completely goes in dt. Why? Because this is actually nothing but t by dx of a denominator, na? वही कर रहे थे. You're getting?
Yeah.
Why we are using it?
Yeah.
So denominator. So it's completely get dt only here. Whole thing goes to dt when you solve. And here only t is left. So now it is something nothing but log of t. What was the value of t substituted? Keep it back. Okay? Now second plus carry forward. So here you know this is a simple term. The अभी हमने जो types किए, the same types. Making a square bracket. 2 take common. Whatever is there, make a square bracket, right. An addition of this thing and the calculated thing will give you the answer. Where I went? Sorry.
No
Somewhere I
problem.
don't know.
No problem. We just write page number 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah? As I won't know which is
But I
the
don't
first
know
page.
where the page went. हाँ, this one. Sorry. हाँ, so this thing here and इसका derivation करने के बाद